All right, Matt doing a quick little training video on how to use your site log to determine who's made edits to content pages. And so for this instance, I'm going to specifically be looking for the user that made the last edit to this page. And so I can see from the URL that the page ID is 35866. This little number right there. And to confirm, I'm just going to hover over content. I'll click on site pages, go into my content folder, and I see the X launch page is 35866. If I click edit, I can scroll down and I can see all of the revisions here. And I can see that the last revision to this page was made today, January 14th, 2021 at 11:40 p.m. Keep in mind that these timestamps are in UTC time, and so just keep that in mind while you're searching. Anyway, what am I going to do? I'm going to go ahead and grab the content ID, the content page ID, copy it. You can also grab that same ID from the ID column on the list view, and then hover over reports, go to the site log. Just like what we saw in the revision menu, the site log is also stored in UTC time. So I will typically pick a date in the past, pick a date in the future, and then I'm just gonna paste the content ID and click update. From here, I can see that the update was made. I can see that the URL the user was on when they made the update, and so they were on the page edit, right? You can also see other information about that user, and we can tell it was a user that made the update because there's a user ID in this column. So to determine the user ID or the owner of the user ID, I'll just remember 5453 and then hover over system, click on user access, and here we see 5453, Matt testing. That dang Matt. But that's how you can track down who made the last edit on a content page using your user IDs and your content page IDs.